Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Padrebeatz out here. So today I want to show you something very special. I want to show you two Afrobeat style and patterns that if you make your beats, they will hardly be resisted. No one can resist this beat. So let's go into this right away. So the first style I want to show you is something like this. Let's put 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is for the kick. Okay, let's take it this way. So after putting this kick, so you can see my rim. So this is it. So this is the Afrobeats pattern. So one thing you need to do with this beat is, this is the conga. So the next thing you need to do is to put another conga, maybe a lighter one. Done. Okay, so there's something I want to show you, that final how to kill your drum style. Not really final, but let's do this. So I have a shaker. This particular shaker is dope, so let's drop the shaker here. Okay. This is a banger. So once you do this, you have a very good starting point for your Afrobeat. And trust me, when you have things like this, it will be hard for you to not to get a good chord progression to follow up. Yes. So the second one I want to show you is let's do this. Let's take out all this. Okay, and switch off the shaker. So let's go back. So the next one I want to show you is this. This is it. Oh. So however you want to do it. Yes, this is it. So the conga again. So the conga again. And then that same shaker. Don't forget, our BPM here is 104. This is a banger. So when you're done with this, any chord progression, any sweet chord progression can go or can flow with it, with this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. More tutorials or more videos coming your way.